guys! I am Shelo Gonzalez and welcome to my world!
Hi guys! Punta tayo sa where? Where are we going?
This one, their name
Alcus?
is best in town. Yeah.
Kasi kukunin natin yung microwave. Gawa na yung microwave. So makakapag-init na tayo ng pagkain natin. Mahirap din kasi walang microwave. Ang hirap magpainit sa air fryer. Tapos katamaran ko, ayoko namang iinit sa mga kawali, kaldero, yung mga food. Ang ginets, ang init na guys. Winter kalas. Game over. Pero mahangin pa. Hindi katulad ng summer. Summer kasi June pa. So ngayon, mahangin-hangin. Mainit pero may hangin. Hindi katulad ng summer talaga dito. Oh my gosh, you will burn. Maglalakad ka lang sa sa kalsada ng konti para ka na naliligo.
Yesterday I asked Rimondo
for what?
About the weather in June.
Where? Here?
Okay, in Philippines.
Philippines rainy.
He said it's rainy, you will not feel hot.
Yeah.
But if
June is rainy days.
AC, it will be nice for you. But if there is no AC, it's okay. Just chill up, put water on yourself. I know you like AC. Then he told me go in mountain. Baguio?
Baguio.
Baguio.
Yeah, we're planning to go there, yeah.
Once you go there, you need jackets, he said. I said, what jacket? Only you can buy it.
No, because Baguio is a cold area.
Really?
Yes. We'll go in a strawberry farm.
Yeah, they have same.
Ah, we'll go there. I like that.
In UAE, they will give you the small fruits, and then you will the small one like strawberry, berries, those you will collect, then they weigh it. But then
gusto ko yung mga ganun. Hindi pa ako nakaka-experience ng ganun. Yung mag-harvest ka, tapos babayaran mo. Tapos gusto ko rin ma-experience yung you know once you fishing, and then what you fish is you will what is this?
They will cook for you.
You will pay, you will cook, they will cook like that.
Really?
Na? Gusto ko yun, yung may mangingisda ka. Yung mag-fishing kayo tapos babayaran, lulutuin. Ganun. Na-experience ko na yun sa
Oh, the bluebirds.
Nagkarlan. Yun, nagkarlan. Nagtawid dagat kami, tapos dun kami nangisda. Actually, hindi ako nangisda. Yung mga tropa. Nag-fishing sila. We went in Nagkarlan in Philippines.
What's in this?
And then my friends, they do fishing. On the other side of the island. Yeah, our cottage here, and then we ride a boat going there, and then they make fishing. And then they catch, and then we cook in the cottage. Yeah, nice, yeah.
Okay, we will purchase there this one, the shrimp and fish. Your mom, she bringing big fish like that. Why?
Gusto niya kasi yung what's that? The bangus?
I don't know what the name of the fish, but it was so much.
Yung yon, yung maling-maling.
Big.
Mamali yung tawag sa amin noon dun sa lugar namin sa Muntinlupa. We name it mamali. It's Imelda fish, but it's same like other fish. That name is maya-maya. Yung parang maya-maya. Pero yung Imelda fish yun. Why it's Imelda fish? Imelda Marcos, the wife of Marcos.
Why she like this one?
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, from the helicopter, they put the, what is this?
The small.
Yeah, to the sea. Yes. Tama ba ako? Yung ba yung istorya nun? Pinakalat yung isdang yun, yung naka-helicopter sila habang binubudbud yung mga similya ng mamali.
And then this fish has become making kids there.
That's big, like what is this? A small kid, yeah?
It's very big.
Nakita niya yun nung nandun siya sa Philippines.
We'll eat andoks. And then street food.
You want to eat street food? I will give you kwek-kwek, the quail egg. And then fish ball.
No, thank you, fish ball. No. It's it's too much fishy.
Squid ball.
No.
Ano pa ba street food na ano, hindi fishy yung hindi kasi mahilig si best friend sa ano sa fish. Kaya hindi siya makakain ng fish ball, kikya, mga ganun. Squid ball, mga ganun. So, kwek-kwek lang yung street food na pwede ko i-offer sa kanya. Itlog.
What is the Shane collecting in street food? You told me she likes street food.
Yeah, like that. Fish balls, squid balls, hot dogs. So, biyahe muna tayo doon. Meron tayong 13 minutes going there para kunin yung ating microwave. Kaya, dyan lang muna kayo. So, andito na tayo sa shop na pinagdalhan ni best friend sa microwave. Ito yung shop, tingnan niyo. O, yan. Diyan niya dinala yung aming microwave. Pero nandun na si best friend sa loob. Siya na lang daw ang kukunin kasi maano daw sa loob niyan, masikip. So, wait natin si best friend detach. And I'm low bat. Si Ellie kailangan ng lagyan ng ano, gutom na, wala ng tissue. Oh, konti na lang yung nasa loob. Lalagyan ko ito mamaya. Baka pumunta din kami ng salon ngayon kasi ang aking kuko sa paa ay napakadumi na. Hindi na ano, hindi na kaaya-ayang tignan. Para na siyang ano, hindi na paa ng babae. Super dugyo. Yucky. Maghanap kami ng salon, hindi na dun sa malayo kasi magiging busy din si best friend kasi nga pabiyahin na siya bukas, so mag-i-impake pa kami mamaya ng kanyang bagahe ng maleta. So, nakuha na ni best friend ang microwave. Meron na tayong microwave ulit. Ang braso ko naglalaban, no?
What?
Look at my this is not my arm. Too much
one.
Big. You will fight?
What's fine? What happened to you? Okay, where will go now? Home?
What's next? Home. Then
we'll search open salon at 10.
Okay.
Why it's not going here?
Minsan kasi may topak yung GPS. Hindi mag-ano.
Hey Siri!
Good morning. How can I help?
Take me home.
Getting directions to home.
Thank you.
So, hindi mag-appear sa what is this? Sa kotse yung GPS. Magmo-mobile na lang siya. Why like that?
I don't know.
Why is all time like this?
Because the connectivity is gone once I'm entering inside.
Bago lang kasi itong kotse ni best friend, wala pa itong 1 taon. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, pag may problema, wali-wali, go.
Sure?
Yala.
Yeah.
Bravo. Dati kasi ang kotse ni best friend ay Lincoln. So, nag-switch siya sa Ford. Downgrade.
Okay, it's 5 years only. Then I purchased back that one.
Alam niyo ba si best friend, addict yan sa kotse. Sabi niya, eto, wala pang 1 taon.
In my work, they downgrade my salary. Then, last month, they back it again.
They back it again? You didn't tell me.
They back it again. Last month. I will sell this one and I will purchase a new one.
New Lincoln.
Oh. I like that car. What to do? This car, I feel it's like a delivery car with the nice screen. That's it.
Ano yan eh? Maano yan sa sasakyan si best friend. Wala pang 1 year tong isang sasakyan. Gusto niya na, nag-iisip na siya na magpalit ulit ng sasakyan.
That car, you feel luxury in a nice way. But this one, it's...
Yeah, the Lincoln Pogi.
But yes, last year, once I purchased this car, there's no Lincoln in market. Yesterday, I get notification in YouTube that they produce Lincoln They remanufacture Lincoln 2025.
And then after this one, after the 2 to 3 years,
Yes.
change. So, uwi muna tayo ng bahay. Tapos, drop natin yung microwave. And then,
Who will hold it?
not me because of my neck.
Okay, we'll find trolley because it's too much heavy. Once I took it.
Yeah, may trolley naman dun sa ano, pakalat-kalat dun sa may ano namin, neighborhood. Minsan kapag marami kaming bagahe, mga grocery, naghahagilap kami ng ano doon, trolley, kasi may mga ibang customer from supermarket. They took trolley. And then they keep there. So, uwi muna tayo. Pagkatapos nun ay maghahanap tayo ng salon na malapit sa bahay para doon na tayo magpalinis ng ating kakukuhan. So, uwi na tayo. Kaya, dyan lang muna kayo. So, we are here in Pavilion. Bago tayo umuwi, dadaan muna tayo ng what is this? Carrefour. Kasi si best friend, alam nyo naman, ang mga pusaway, hindi pwedeng magutom. Bili tayo ng kanilang food. Wet food and soup.
Because I'm traveling,
Yeah. She will stock food for the cat because she will going her country. Jordan. So, bili tayo ng pusa. Ay, ng pusa. Bili tayo ng pagkain ng mga pusaway. And we're home. So, ito yung pinamili. Pagkain ng pusaway. Oh, it's wet. Wait. The plastic wet. Because of maybe the celery. It's cold. So, pagkain ng pusaway, wet food. Ang ingay ng ating birdie. They are noisy. And dry food. Ang kanilang soup. Mabilisang grocery haul. Kasi konti lang naman to. And bumili ako ng cucumber. Kasi balak kong mag-smoothie. Healthy living. And celery. Uy, ano lang to? 9 dirhams. And gabi. Balak kong mag-sinigang. Kaya bumili din ako ng sinigang mix. Yarn. And balak kong mag-chop suey. Kaya bumili ako ng Baguio cabbage. Tama ba yun? Baguio ano to, no? Cabbage. Hindi ko alam. Chinese cabbage. Ganun. Tapos tomato para sa sinigang din. That's it. Yun lang ang ating haul. Ingay-ingay. What is this? Ay, may pangalan na yung aming birdie. Yung girl is Cookie. Yung boy is Coco. Cookie and Coco. So, yun lang ang ating haul. Maghahanap kami ni best friend ng salon para magpalinis ng ating kakukuhan. Kasi para ng, ano to? Kuko ng lawin. Ang aking kuko. At hindi nakanais-nais ang, what is this? Ang itsura. So, search lang kami sa, we'll go outside to search or you will search in Facebook. Okay. Okay.
And you will tell me what I need to say.
For you, wax. For me, mani-pedi. Okay? Nagpapawax kasi yan si best friend kasi maano siya, madali siyang tubuan ng balahibo. So, search lang kami ng salon, kaya dyan lang muna kayo. Punta na tayo ng salon, guys. So, nagpabook na kami. 1 PM ang schedule. May dala akong tsinelas. Kahit gel polish yung gagawin sa akin, may tsinelas pa rin ako. Kasi, ito ang suot kong tsinelas. Ano ba? What is this? So, magpapa-gel polish ako. Si best friend wax. What else? Threading sa aming dalawa. Eyebrow.
I will check. It's painful. I will check.
Which one?
The eye.
Yeah, it's painful. So let's go sa car. And we're here. Para sa salon tayo ay magpalinis ng ating di kaaya-aya ng
You have till the
kakukuhan. Yes, I have. Why?
Or today they will consider it off.
Huh?
Will not pay parking.
No, it's announced. The
Parking, no?
parking is
Free?
free. So, kasi nga holiday. Kasi dito sa UAE, pag holiday ay free parking. So, may mahabang free parking.
So they consider the holiday from today?
I don't know, it's from Monday or
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
oh, kasi ang free parking pag usual day ay Sunday free parking, but Monday to Saturday no, you need to pay the parking.
But because it's holiday,
I don't know when the
it's off.
holiday start
Monday.
because
Holiday Monday to this one Friday.
yeah. So it's not free because today is Saturday.
So we need to pay.
I think so. But check, it will you will see naman if it's free, yeah.
Let me check the application.
Because last time it's free, yeah. It's showing.
You know, in Abu Dhabi, it's too much more. Their parking application. It's named Darb. That one immediately, once you put parking, immediately will tell you the parking time from this time. Now is free.
So dito may dalawang klase ng pagpa-parking, pay ng parking. Meron dun sa machine and then meron pwede ka dun sa mobile, sa online. So may mga naka-install na mga machine and then magigib sa'yo ng what is this? Receipt, yeah?
You have Nol card?
Ano, may Nol card in home. Why? I have here done.
You have other one?
No. Cash.
You know that machine is taking Nol card.
Oh, pwede kayong bayad ng Nol card. Because that's RTA, that's why.
You just put the Nol card, then you put how many hours.
Pwede kayong magbayad ng Nol card, pwede kayong magbayad ng cash. So per hour, yeah.
Yeah, 3 dirham.
Oo. Tapos, pag sa online, mas convenient kasi kapag, halimbawa, nag-extend kayo ng oras sa parking, pwede nyo what is this? I-update, yeah? Another hour. Kung sumobra man kayo sa 1 hour. Kasi, kapag hindi nyo yun nabayaran or nabayaran yung extension, magpa-fine kayo. How much the fine? For
150.
150? I think so.
Yes, this one.
150 if hindi kayo nakapagbayad ng parking. 150 dirhams.
A day.
Imagine, a day. But if you didn't pay it?
No, 150 a day. If you next day keep the car, you didn't pay parking, they will see that you get fined yesterday.
And then
they
another.
will give you other one.
Another. Okay. So, let's go sa salon. Sa ano yun? Sa Al Riga. Al Riga yan. So, medyo malayo dito sa aming bahay. 26 minutes going there. So, mahaba-haba ang biyahe natin. Kaya, dyan lang muna kayo.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all
ate magaling mag-ano. Masakit pero nakuha niya yung ingrown. Kasi yung iba hindi kinukuha. Parang inaalis lang yung dry skin. But si ate, it's good. Even it's masakit. So, ayan yung aking kulay silver. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aking leg mamaya na martyr. Si best friend nagpa-wax din. Tadan! Wala na siyang balahibo. Lili! Say balahibo. Balahibo. Yala, balahibo.
Hipon.
Yung hipon. Hipon. Hipon is what?
Shrimp.
Oh, bravo. Bravo. What about fish?
Stuck.
Isda. Is not isdak. Isdak. Fish and duck in the same. Nagpa-threading din pala ako. Ano? Malinis na yung, malinis na yung aking kakilayan. So, uwi tayo kasi mag-i-impake pa si best friend ng kanyang bagahe. Ng kanyang, what is that? Maleta. Luggage bag. Ano ba yun? Lahat na sinabi ko. Dadalhin niya yung mga pinamili ng kanyang nanay dito sa UAE. From day to day. Her mom, she make shopping. Her bag is not enough to take it all. So, she will take it to Jordan tomorrow. So, let's go home. And, dyan lang muna kayo. Guys, maglalayas na ako. Sorry. Ready ko lang yung bagahe ni best friend. Itong maleta. Nasa labas kasi siya. Bumibili nung Indian food na bibit-bitin niya sa Jordan. Kasi nagpapabili yung kanyang kapatid na bunso ng Indian food. Maleta to ng nanay niya. Iniwan dito para yung mga bagahe nga, si best friend na magdala yung mga napamili niya dito sa Dubai. So, ang laki So, ito ang dadalhin ni best friend. May naririnig kayong muugong washing machine yun. Naglalaba ako. So, hintayin natin si best friend para ilagay dito yung mga bibit-bitin niya. Kunin ko lang sa loob ng kwarto yung mga napamili ng kanyang Mudrakels. So, ito yun. Yung napamili sa day-to-day. Mga mga damit, sapatos. So, hintayin ko si best friend para alam niya yung mga ikakasa niya dito sa what is this? Maleta. Gabi na. Pagkagaling namin sa salon, nakatulog ako. Nakatulog din si best friend. Tapos, after nun, nag-dinner kami. So, ngayon ay almost 8. 7:38. Yan. Ang asing time, 7:38. So, wait natin si best friend. Pagdating niya, ikakasa na natin yung ating mga ibabagahe. And, upo tayo dito. So, habang hinihintay natin si best friend, pakita ko sa inyo yung photo na dun, nung nag-cruise kami. So, eto. Binili ko yung, kinuhanan kasi kami ng photographer. So, ayan. Diba? May kasama kaming jugets kasi yung isang colleague namin, magbe-birthday yung anak niya. So, doon natin sinelebrate sa cruise. Kaya may jugets dyan na makikita kayo. Yan. So, ayan yung aking mga colleagues. Tapos, yan ang lola nyo. Ang puti ko dyan, no? 5 to. Tapos, yung 3 lang yung kinuha ko. Pero, 5 yung binili ko. So, 100 dirhams, 5 pesos. Tapos, yung 2 kopya, yung mag-ina nga. Isang solo nung bata, tapos isang magkasama sila nung nanay niya. So, binigay ko na doon sa colleagues ko as a gift para doon sa bata. Kasi nga, magbe-birthday yun ng ngayon or bukas yung birthday nung bata. Doon din nag-aaral yung anak niya sa trabaho namin sa Montessori. So, yun lang. Hintayin natin si best friend, okay? So, best friend is here. Kakasan na natin yung kanyang mga bagahe. Eto pala. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung ano to. I don't know what is this. It's honey for her sister. So, honey pala to para dun sa kapatid niyang bunso. So, unahin daw natin ang
This one mine or my mom?
Is it yours?
Where's the other one? They are same or what? No, I think my mom, she choose like this. They are same.
It's not same. Same nga.
I know.
No, it's not same.
Hello,
This one, the round is bigger. This one's small.
Give to my mom.
Which one?
The bigger
This one?
Then we can put the honey and the dresses.
Then the honey.
No, don't put, yeah, in middle or in top.
This one.
My mom.
Okay, mga ano lang to, mga... Hey! Talaga naman. You know, as I'm talking, they also talking.
See.
What happening, ha? Unahin natin ang mga dresses. Let's put... How many bags you need to bring?
So, this one and the gray.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Why it's big?
What?
What is big?
It's not big. Same your size.
No!
Make it good, huh?
What good?
Hold it now. It's my mom.
Okay, I will fold it. Ano ba yan? Because why you don't want to show in video?
What? Me?
Yes.
I have big stomach. Once it become like yours small, then I will go
Then when?
next week.
Why it's all black?
She took the others that she dressing having color.
Her bag also here.
No, not under this one.
O, di ba hindi ako marunong mag-impake? I don't know how to pack.
Yalla, you are the best one who making back.
Finally, I saw
Colorful.
colors. Other color. Oh, it's heart.
See how much my mom she love us.
Only this, the bag.
Only.
Then what about your dress?
I will put in a small bag, correct? I didn't take a gift for them because they purchased all day today. You remember? Once I take them gala.
Oo, hindi na siya namili ng mga pampasalubong kasi nagbakasyon dito yung kanyang nanay saka yung ate niya.
What nanay?
Nanay is mother, mom.
Ah.
Ate is sister, yeah. Nung nagbakasyon, namili na sila ng namili. Kaya hindi na siya magdadala ng pampasalubong. Nauna na sa Jordan yung pampasalubong.
Where I will put the chicken 65? In my handbag, yeah.
What is this?
This is the abaya. You remember the abaya that you dress it? The gray one, where is it? This is the inner. This one.
I like
The
it.
white is the inner.
Let's try. Your mom will see the video that I try her abay.
See, same size.
Hi! Oh, diba? Pogi sa akin. Sorry, Madam Salwa. I just wanna try.
You like abaya?
Yes, I need it.
Why?
For my work.
What work?
The event. Sometimes we need to wear abaya. Like last time, the manager told me that Michelle wear abaya, but I didn't.
What is her shoes?
Wait, excited? La 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 la. Oh, your cap. Ano ba yan? All black.
Why you don't like?
Ah, done! Tapos meron din siyang shoes. Sukat natin.
You want to try everything. Last one
Oh,
from
Madam Salwa, I fix your things, ha? Salwa yung pangalan ng nanay niya. Ay, what is this? There's more. And what else?
Chicken 65.
Here? Or in your small bag?
A small bag.
We need to close it now?
Close, close.
Okay. So, itong isang bag ay puro
It's enough that one for my dress and chicken 65.
Puro, ano lang. Let's see, before I close it. So, lagay muna natin dito.
It's not much heavy, yeah? I have
Kasi-
30 kg.
You have 30 kg?
Still, I can put more. My
Remove na
dress.
this one because they will remove it in. Ito pa yung biyahe nung nanay na. Meron pang sticker. Malapit na din kami magbagahe.
Yalla, almost.
Happy yun.
We are very happy. Almost.
So, I will bring your small bag.
Mm.
Help me there in bedroom.
Why?
The dress that you want to take. You bring in, that you want to bring.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, punta lang kami ng kwarto kasi kukunin namin isang bagahe para sa kanyang mga dresses. So, ito yung kanyang maliit na maleta. Dito niya lalagay yung mga damit niya for 10 days.
See the cats? They are surprised. How many bands there?
Yung mga pusa nakatingin sa amin.
One
Don't
band or
worry.
2?
Only Sadia will go.
2?
Your best enemy will stay. Kailangan niya ng pants. Yumi, don't go inside the bedroom. No, hindi kasi sila allowed pumasok ng ng kwarto. Kasi yun na lang yung area na makakahinga ako. Na walang balahibo ng pusa. Then, blouses. Pantulog. Next ay inner. Only one inner? Si best friend kasi hindi yan nakakapag-blouse, nakakapag-t-shirt nung walang doble. Kaya may mga ganito siya inner. Tapos, bra. Yung mga bagong bra na yung pinadala ko sa kanya. Para hindi naman kahiya-hiya. Kasi pinagtatapon ko na yung iba niyang bra na luma. Kaya namili na kami ng bagong bra. Yung Andy, di ko napapakita sa inyo. Dito ko natutupiin. So, dadalhin niya yung Crocs niya. Si best friend na addict sa mga dekorasyon ng Crocs. So, bumili kami sa day-to-day ng mga ganito. Yarn! Oh. Yan yung Crocs niya. This one.
Show me na.
Oh, yan yung mga characters. And this one, Under the Sea! Tapos, may request yata yung pamangkin niya, astronaut. So, mamimili lang siya kasi ilalagay din namin sa Crocs. Lalagyan ko din yung uniform ko sa school na Crocs. Kasi yung uniform namin na pangpaa ay Crocs sa trabaho ko. So, lalagyan ko rin yung akin. Actually, pareho kami ni best friend. Ganito din yung uniform ko, black. Which one you want to take?
I don't know.
So nice naman. Ay, dito. There is 2 owls. Merong flamingo, may starfish, unicorn. Oh, I will put the extension, ha? Maybe you need it.
Yeah. Correct.
Bra extension. Baka kailanganin ni
Or
best
I will take
friend.
all this. Let him show you what you want.
Okay. Also this?
Also this.
Okay, dadalhin niya na lang daw to lahat. Kasi may mga pamangkin siya dun eh. So, dadalhin na ni best friend to lahat. Bigay na lang natin dun sa mga bata. Tapos, bibili na lang kami ng amin. So, that's it! Close na natin ni Tetch. So, ayan yung mga bagahe ni best friend. Thumbnail. I'm going Philippines. So, pinagpawisan ako sa pag-iimpake. Kaya nagpalit na ako ng pantulog. Terno yan. And dahil ako ay nainitan, kakain ako ng ice cream. You want ice cream? Come here. Ice cream tayo. Yummy. Flavor is coffee crumble. You like?
I'm there!
So, si best friend... Ay, so, si best friend ay shy type. Camera shy siya. Mamaya na ako mag-e-edit. Mag-aano muna ako. Makikichismis muna ako kay paring OG Diaz. Ichika mo na, dali. Mainit ang panahon. Sa Philippines daw, napakainit, di ba? Isang beses kinancel yung klase doon sa lugar namin. Hindi ko alam kung sa ibang lugar din. Kasi nga, sobrang init daw ng panahon. Bawa naman yung mga jugets. Kaya kinancel yung klase. Si Ate Shane nga daw, hindi na maka-stay sa 3rd floor kapag may mainit ang panahon. Kasi baka daw matusta siya. Kaya doon siya nag-i-stay doon sa kwarto ng auntie niya. Sa 2nd floor. You know, Shane not staying in 3rd floor.
Why?
Because her bunk bed is high, near the roof. And the weather now in Philippines is too much hot. So, she's not able to stay there. Narinig nyo? Yung feeder yun ng mga pusaway. Na-refresh na ako. So, maya-maya matutulog na kami kasi maaga kaming gigising. Si best friend, ang flight niya ay 1 o'clock. Tapos, kailangan nasa airport na kami ng 10 kasi mag-check-in pa siya. Babiyahe kami by metro lang. So, may 1 hour ang biyahe patungo sa Terminal 1 mula dito sa amin. Kaya, dito na natin tatapusin ng vlog. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you on my next video.